Welcome to Incav Medical. Our mission today is to repair a GE Lightspeed 16 slices CT scanner. Repairing and servicing a CT scanner requires a team of high-trained engineers both in electronics and computer science. This is a very complex machine with sophisticated hardware and software with thousands of electronics and mechanical components that could fail at any moment. A wrong diagnostic could be very costly on time and money. That is why at Incav Medical we are proud to have experienced engineers in several countries and several backgrounds. Today we have a mission to repair and calibrate a GE Lightspeed 16 CT scanner, one of the most popular CT scanners in the world, so it can be back in service again for many more years. This specific CT will be installed in a small town in South America and will help a remote community. In fact, it will be the first CT ever in the village. That is why we know that everything needs to be perfect. They don't have a luxury to have a faulty machine where is not access to parts or local technical support.
The Lightspeed 16 CT scanner with Stream technology is the next step in GE's CT continuum, and its award-winning Lightspeed CT platform. The Lightspeed 16 CT scanner routinely acquires 16 sub-millimeter slices in one rotation, at a scan speed of 0.5 seconds. As with the very first Lightspeed product introduction, the Lightspeed 16 utilizes design for Six Sigma methodology in all aspects of manufacturing and engineering. Primary benefits: routine use of sub-millimeter slices without image noise or coverage compromise. Small lesion and small vessels assessments: pancreas, liver or circle of Willis, renal arteries, coronary arteries and peripheral vascular arteries. The 6.3 MHU Performix X-ray tube demonstrates the highest reliability and delivers the power you need for image quality. The Performix tube now comes standard with a 1-year, non-prorated warranty. Microvoxel imaging improves 3D and reformatted 2D resolution through the optimum choice of sub-millimeter slice thickness and reconstructed voxel size. Unmatched volume image quality specification in all planes at 0.5 seconds rotation. Highlight TM Matrix 2 detector is designed to deliver consistent image quality with its 21,888 individual elements, 16 rows of 0.625 mm thickness, and 8 rows of 1.25 mm thickness. Stream TM technology, a revolutionary new workflow design, breaks through existing limits on speed, image quality and flexibility to provide an optimized workflow solution from acquisition to final report. Lowest dose acquisition using SmartMA automatic modulation technique and DLP display that tells the operator the dose before the scan starts. Main features: full 360 degrees rotation speed of 0.5 seconds provides for improved temporal resolution and image quality in areas such as cardiac imaging. Faster scan times enable shorter breath holds and more comfortable exams for patients. Faster scan times reduce the occurrence of rescans by lowering the possibility of patient motion during the exam. Routine scanning with a slice thickness of 0.625 mm optimizes lesion detection and facilitates the use of thinner images for volume presentations. Reduced partial volume artifacts. Up to 2,881 multi-slice 1-second scan rotations stored on disk. Facilitates retrospective image decomposition during off hours. 8 fundamental scan modes to simplify the inherently complex nature of multi-slice helical scanning. Standard set of clinically proven protocols derived from leading luminary sites around the world. Up to 8,460 protocols can be edited, modified and stored on the system. And remember, we have this equipment and much more available for sale or rent at Incav Medical, your best option for medical and laboratory equipment. Thanks for watching.